Everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com, and here I've got another nice low mileage little Hijet. This one's only 2005, which is a little bit older but very nice condition. Body works very straight. It's got a nice clean deck on the back, no damage or anything like that. Got a three-side drop. I'll just show you that. Drop these down. You can load it with a forklift. Nice flat deck on the back there. Inside, see the seats in good condition. Start the engine up. I'm going to press the clutch. It's done 34,000 Ks, 20,000 miles ish. Press this four-wheel drive button. See the light comes on now. The four-wheel drive works. It's a 5-speed manual. Nice enclosed cabin, keep dry, keep warm, pretty good. This will be another good addition for someone who needs something for off-road. Better than an ATV because you can get in there, keep yourself dry and warm, and it won't get stuck because it's four-wheel drive. Put some mud tyres on it, it should go a lot of places. So if you're interested in one of these, or you'd like to be a distributor, have a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com. There's lots of information on there about these trucks, and thanks for watching the video.